Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.3, connecting the dots, written by Steve Jobs. Okay, Steve Jobs means it is a speech. This lesson is a speech of Steve Jobs. Means it is not a whole speech, but here is given some part of this speech. When he gave this, he had given this speech in front of the graduate of Stanford University in 2005. Means in this speech he talks about his college experience, means about his means about he caused severe distress there, severe sadness there. Okay, and also means in this lesson he tells us about the three story of his life. Okay, three story of his life that we are going to learn. You can this Steve Jobs speech is available on YouTube also. Means whatever the real speech, you can watch this on YouTube. Okay, now see, before going to learn, warming up question. Connect the dots to get what means a lot to you. Means from these, choose any one word that means that words gives us many meanings. Okay, for example, see sun, sun. Means if you connecting this dot sun, see here sun, sun. Means if you are connecting this dot, then we get means hope, courage, determination, inspiration. Okay, means many meanings hope we get from sun, and that's why means we can connect the dot sun. Okay, the word is sun. Then B question, see, with your benchmate, use the letters given above to make a word register of computer and set a time limit of 5 minutes and compare your list with that of other classmates. Means here you can set 5. It is not possible, but you can make the word register of computer. Okay, word register means from these dots, here is given this letter, means connect the dot and which word is related to computer, that word you have to find. For example, word is browser. Okay, BROWSER, browser. Disk, DISK, disk. Means these words like this way related to computer word you can find from this dots. Okay, join the dots and make new words that can register to the computer. Okay, then next is, you are quite familiar with computer, especially the personal computer. From pairs and make a list of famous computer manufacturing companies. One is given to you, means manufacture company of computer. Means Apple is a company of computer, mobile. Okay, iPhone. Like this way other companies are IBM. Okay, IBM, Lenovo, Samsung. These are also companies of computer. The next question is, complete the web by filling the various benefits of computer. Means which are the benefits of computer? We get the information, we store the information, we store the data. Okay, then we can educate from, means we get the education from computer. Then it is useful for industries, factories. It also connect to the internet. This way, means these are the benefit of computer. Then expand the, it is the grammar part, question number 4. Expand the following into their full forms. See, means here is given short form, we have to write full form, because in this lesson there are many words which are means in the short forms. Okay, and means like this way use there many words means in a short form. That's means that is, did not, didn't, did not, here's, here is, can't, cannot, I have. Okay, means like this way you can write the full form. Then write the shortened form of the following. Shortened form means like this way you have to write. Means here you have means you can write there, and have means apostrophe ve, you have, like this way. I would, I apostrophe d, it is, it apostrophe s, you are, you apostrophe ie. Okay, like this way you can write the others also. It is easy, you know about that. Okay, now we are going to learn the next part of means the lesson means Steve Jobs. Okay, Steve Jobs was the founder of Apple. Okay, founder of Apple company. See, Steve Jobs born in 1955 and death 2011. Means 2011 he was dead. He was an American entrepreneur. See, entrepreneur means businessman. Okay, a person who business. A person who business means is an American entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneur means a person who organize, a person who business. Business magnate. Business magnate means he is the magnet. He is the magnet of business means he is an inspirational personality. Like in our India, Ratan Tata, Birla. Okay, these are also business magnet. Means his personality is where the business magnet. Like this way, Steve Jobs also. He was the inventor, and he was industrial designer. Means he made many industries related to computer. He was the chairman, chief executive officer, and co-founder of Apple Institute. He was the chairman of Apple Institute. He was the chief executive officer, and he also was the co-founder of Apple. Means he was the co-founder means with his friend he found the company Apple. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. In this period of 1970s to 1980s, means he made the change related to microcomputer, and that's why he is one of the pioneer of microcomputer. Means he made revolution, he made change. Okay, of the microcomputer, and that's why he was one of the pioneer. Okay, like this is Steve Jobs. Tomorrow we will learn about his story, connecting the dots. What do you mean by connecting dots? Connecting dots means associate the idea. Associate the ideas. Okay, means some previous ideas to the means current idea. Previous ideas to current idea, and create a new big things. Okay, you can associate the ideas with previous to current ideas, and we can create the new one. Means it is the connecting the dots. Okay, tomorrow we will learn about the means his 3 story of life. Okay, thank you.